Hey guys, it's me Alina. Welcome to my channel. So, on your demand, I am back with another creative self portrait ideas for Instagram. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Now, before starting, I'll just take 2 minutes. Now, if you're not here for the talk and you are here only for the self portrait video, you can skip to this timestamp. Now, I'll just take 2 minutes, just hear me out. Now, earning money through sponsored video isn't wrong. I am sure many of you will agree with me. Now, if you don't like my sponsored videos, you can watch my other videos. If you don't like my other videos as well, no issue. But please don't come and write like you make videos for money. Okay, I understand. Maybe you can make videos without monetizing them or without sponsored videos. Maybe you don't need that money, but that small amount of money can make a huge difference in others or someone's life. And even if they are sponsored videos, we always try out the products and then share our opinion with you guys. Plus, no one is keeping you on gunpoint and asking you to buy their products, right? No. So, please, it's a humble request. Just take a moment before judging anything. Also, I doubt if you can say the same thing in person, so there's no point. Also, you never know what the other person is going through, so all you can do is just be kind. So for the first picture, one of my Insta friend shared me this picture and she wanted to know the editing, so I took inspiration from that picture. And for poses, you can try all these, and you can see I am keeping my neck and shoulder open. So let's see how the pictures turned out, and then you can watch the editing clip as well. For editing, open your photo on PixArt. Now go to the sticker option and type map. Now as you can see, there are many to choose from, but I am selecting this sticker. So first, all you need to do is go to blend and select multiply. And once it is done, take your time and adjust the patterns or the colors where you want it to be. Now here you can see I am taking my own time and adjusting it where I want it to be. Now once you are happy with the placement of the sticker, now go to the erase option and then select person. Once you will select person, the sticker will be on you and not on the background. Still you need to go in with the erase option manually, because there are small details where you need to erase and restore wherever required. Again, you can see I am taking my own time and doing it very precisely so that it looks like a paint on your skin and not just like a sticker slapped on. So yeah, it will take a little time. Just take your time and do it. And once everything is done, you can go to the opacity option and lower it according to your choice. For this picture, I am keeping it 90. For the next picture, I have done nothing much. As you can see, I just wrapped around this golden chain around my hair, on my face and neck. And for poses, you can try out this as you can see in the video. So let's see how the pictures turned out. For this picture, I am not going to do much. I am just going to add some filters. First, I am adding MV for 30% and then BRNZ to 50%, and then I'll add some yellow tint, maybe 90%. So yeah, that's it. I don't want to do much with this picture because it looks beautiful as it is. So yeah. For the next picture, I am keeping it all white as you can see, but I am just adding a little bit of red with my earring. And please wear a red lipstick, that will look very beautiful. Here I forgot to wear a red lipstick, so I had to redo all the pictures again. So yeah, and for poses you can try all these. Just keep it all white and little pop of red and you are done. For editing, again open your photo on PicsArt. Now add the filters. Here I am adding my usual filters. After adding the filters, you can see this picture looks beautiful. You can keep it as it is, but I want to add something more. So for that I am going to the mask option and then go to ripple. Now here there are many options. As you can see, you can add from, but I am liking this, so I am going in with this effect and it is done. For the next picture, here I am using this travel book. Now you can use an atlas, a map or a glove. Now again I am keeping my neck and my shoulder open. Now you will understand once you will see the picture. So let's see. For editing, open your photo on PicsArt. Now go to effects, then artistic and oil paint. Now I am erasing it all out and just blurring the name of the book. Now if you don't want to do that, if you don't want to blur out the name, you can skip that step totally. Next, go to stickers and type map. Now there are many options, but here I am going particularly for a outline wall map sticker, and this is it. Now once you got the sticker, again take your time and adjust the pattern where you want it to be. Again, this is a little time consuming. As you can see, I'm taking my time and doing it. Once it is done, just go to the erase option and select person. After that, you can select the erase option manually and erase and restore where it is required. Now as you can see here, I am erasing it from my cloth or from my top as well, so that it looks like the sticker is on my skin. And then again take your time and use the erase and restore option to make it very seamless and looks like the paint or the map sticker is on your skin. Once it is done, go ahead and save it. Now you can leave the picture as it is, or else you can go ahead and add a black and white filter. Now black and white pictures are a whole new mood and emotion. Now I have shown you both. Now you can decide which one you like the most. For the next picture, I am just wearing this golden chain around my neck, and for poses, as you can see, I am just holding slightly the chain, or you can just rest your hand on your neck. You can maybe look down or just stare at the camera, and that's it. So let's see how the pictures turned out, and then you can watch the editing clip as well. For editing, open your photo on PicsArt. Now go to the mask option and then select shadow. Now as you can see, there are many shadows you can select from. These are like little shadow filters, but I really like this leaf shadow, so I'm going in with this, and go ahead and save it, and you are done. So guys, that's it for the video. I hope you like it, and if you like it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and thank you so much for watching my videos, and take care. Bye bye.